the future of infrastructure and asset management. ALEEGO platform offers new opportunities for companies in terms of productivity, safety, and efficiency. Drones enable you to monitor your business assets in real time and turn aerial imagery into actionable business intelligence. Order missions online. Save time and money replacing traditional, expensive solutions. And benefit from an early return on investment and a measurable impact on your bottom line. Identify problems immediately through inspection flights and take action to ensure the continued smooth running of your business. Missions are matched with licensed insured pilots with all the necessary permissions to ensure quick deployment. Full data processing and reporting are provided on completion of the mission, all in one easy-to-use platform. User-friendly technology to save you time and money.